Learn how to vibrate and tune your energy to the right frequency, and you will manifest everything you desire. Everything in the universe is made up of energy. You are constantly surrounded by and connected to energy. Actually, you're experiencing this connection right now as you watch this video. Every action you take, whether it's walking down the street or taking a deep breath, requires energy. Even your feelings and thoughts, ranging from happiness to confusion, are forms of energy that can affect your experiences and impact the world around you. You're not separate from this energy. Every part of your physical body, from your growth as a child to the food you eat, and even your hair and nails, is composed of energy. Energy flows through you, from the blood that circulates in your body to the emotions and ideas that shape who you are. You inhale and exhale it with each breath. Energy encompasses your thoughts and emotions as well, which have the power to influence your life and the lives of others. What you perceive, what you contemplate, what you focus on, all of it carries a significant amount of energy. Even the words you speak carry energy. The content you watch on TV or the internet is where you're investing your energy. Now, it's important to be mindful of what you choose to invest your energy in, because it flows in the directions of your attention, which is what you will ultimately manifest. You always have the power to choose where to direct your energy. It's up to you to make that decision. You have the ability to control and guide this energy. You can decide where to focus it and how to use it. By doing this, you can better manage and direct it towards your goals and dreams. Your energy naturally moves in different directions, and your thoughts and emotions play a role in directing it. When you experience happiness, positivity, or motivation, you're emitting high-frequency energy that attracts more of the same into your life. On the other hand, negative emotions like frustration, anxiety, or sadness attract low-frequency energy that can bring you down. It's important to understand that you have the power to influence your energy. When you're feeling down, you can shift your focus to something that uplifts your mood. You can also adjust your energy by spending time with people who inspire you, engaging in activities that bring you joy, and surrounding yourself with positive messages. You can also take steps to preserve your energy by setting boundaries, avoiding harmful situations and relationships, and practicing self-care. Have you ever wondered what happens to your energy when you put your trust and faith into something? The universe conspires to support you and brings into your life whatever matches the energy you emit. Trusting and having faith in the power of energy can bring amazing transformations into your life. When you trust in energy, you recognize your own worth and open yourself up to both receiving and giving. You start to realize that life is more than what you see, and there is a greater force at work. You become connected to something much larger, something that knows and understands everything and is an endless source of love. There are unlimited possibilities of what you can manifest into your life. As you trust, your energy aligns, your cells rejuvenate, and your health improves. Feelings of despair, confusion, and disappointment fade away, leaving you with a sense of serenity, balance, and lightness. Your energy becomes clear, pure, and flows smoothly like a mountain stream. You feel valuable, deserving, and joy fills your days. Wisdom and inner peace grow within you, bringing clarity to your being. This is the power of energy. When you trust in it, everything starts falling into place. Trusting in the universe and having faith in your own potential make your energy stronger, yet lighter. You become wise and serene. Your thoughts turn into beliefs, and your dreams begin to manifest in your life. Believe in yourself and trust the universe to guide you towards your purpose, and you will discover your true mission in this world. Once you understand and accept your purpose, you'll realize that you already have everything you need to succeed and achieve your goals. Trusting helps you let go of obstacles and resistance along your journey. You embrace the present moment as it is and gain clarity in your vision. Opening your heart allows you to receive the wonders of the universe that it has in store for you. By trusting, you release things that no longer serve you, making room for new opportunities. When you trust, you have faith in the divine force that guides and supports you. You understand that you are part of something greater than yourself and have an important role to play. You believe that every experience in your life serves your growth, evolution, and greater good. Can you trust? Can you trust your energy? Can you trust the universe? Can you trust yourself? Close your eyes, connect with your inner self, and feel the energy flowing within you. Experience the love, power, and light within. You are energy, capable of creating your reality and manifesting your dreams. You are capable, deserving, and cherished. Trust in yourself and in the universe, and witness the magic that unfolds in your life. To turn your thoughts into beliefs, you must practice the act of believing. By having faith in the universe's ability to provide for your needs, knowing your desires and dreams, and believing your worthiness of love and happiness, you can experience deep peace and joy. Believing that you have a purpose to fulfill in this world can help you discover and fulfill it. You have the power to create the life you want and shape your reality, but it requires intention, awareness, and practice. The journey begins by recognizing that you are energy, and that energy surrounds you at all times. Every breath, thought, and movement expresses your energy, which is connected to the universe and its infinite wisdom. Understanding this connection helps you realize that you are part of something greater than yourself. You grasp that there is a purpose for your existence and that you have the ability to fulfill it. You cherish the precious gift of your energy and strive to use it wisely. Instead of dwelling on fear, doubt, and lack, you choose to focus on abundance, gratitude, and positivity. You cultivate a mindset of belief, trust, and faith, and you practice it every day. By embracing trust and belief in the universe, you open the door to incredible possibilities and invite profound transformation into your life. Every challenge you face is an opportunity to grow. Every setback is a lesson, and every obstacle is a chance to become stronger and wiser. When you activate the power of your energy through belief, you can create miracles in your life. You speak your truth with confidence, visualize your dreams with clarity, and follow your intuition with bravery. Your heart leads the way, and you trust in the path ahead. You understand that your energy is like a magnet, attracting people, opportunities, and experiences that align with your desires. You're grateful for each moment, person, and lesson that comes your way, recognizing their importance in your journey. As you cultivate the skill of working with energy, you become the master of your own destiny. You radiate positivity, happiness, and peace, inspiring others to do the same. Manifesting your dreams becomes effortless, and you give back to others with kindness. You live in harmony with the natural world, with others, and with yourself. You have faith that the universe supports you and that everything will unfold for your benefit. As your trust grows, you become more aware of the energy around you. You can feel the vibrations of people and things, and you choose the energy that uplifts you. You set boundaries to protect your energy and surround yourself with positive influences. Trusting also means practicing forgiveness for yourself and others. Forgiveness is a powerful tool that releases negative energy and frees you from the past. You let go of grudges and resentments, opening your heart to new possibilities. Remember, you are energy, and you have the power to shape your reality. Your thoughts, beliefs, and actions contribute to the life you create. Trust in the process and embrace the transformative power of forgiveness and positive energy in your life. Be sure to hit that like button. Doing so helps push this video out to more people that are in need of this information. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new, and check out the next video on your screen for more tips on how to manifest the life you desire.